So this pull request popped up on the Pat website. It's a feature to allow Pat to support forms, so that if you're doing ICS 213 or other forms, you can do it directly from within Pat itself, rather than having to edit XML and add it as an attachment. So here's a bit of a walkthrough through it. So the interface looks the same as before, except now that when you go to compose something, we've got this button for a template. So I'll send myself a message, test, and let's pop up the template. And it's picking the templates from the standard Winlink forms that I downloaded. And I'll get to that later. I'm going to go with an ICS 213 form. I popped into a new tab to KN4ZMA, and I'm just filling in the fields here. It fills in the time and date for me. Test. I have to fill in all the fields. Me, position, sitting. I'll submit the form, and that takes me back to the compose message, or the compose, and it's filled in, it's templated the subject and the body, but there's also going to be an attachment in it. So I can post it, and that's really all there is to it. I will see if I can connect, and if it'll let me see it. Anyway, here's what it looks like. When you receive a message from somebody, you get the body just like what you saw, and then there's a link where you can actually see it within a form. And since it's just a message, I can, if I reply to it, it pops me back into the template automatically with the space for the response. And then I submit it as a regular message, and it works great.